Welcome to my channel, and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Mad Hatter Bags. My name is Christopher, and I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Thank you so much for taking time out to tune into this video and watch it. I do appreciate that. Y'all, today I'm gonna get into this brand new bag that I just got, and it's very special to me because it's such a nice bag, so I can't wait to show it to you. And I don't even know how I got it for the price I did. If it was a glitch on the Coach website, maybe it was, but I got it. So Coach updated their website a few nights ago, and right after they did that, I was on there shopping and I just happened to see this bag, y'all. And I was shocked to see the price of it. So I got this bag for like $380, and normally it's $950. So I don't know if it was a glitch from their website update or what, but I have it, it's in my possession now, and we're gonna unbox it together. So do stay tuned for that. But before I unbox this bag with y'all, I do wanna say thank you to all my returning subscribers. Now, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave so you know next time I have a new post. And if you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, y'all don't hesitate. Hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my TikTok channel. I do a lot of fun stuff on TikTok, and I post high quality images and stuff that I review on my Instagram page, so y'all definitely check that out. For everything else Mad Hatter, definitely go ahead and check out my beacon links. It's the first link under my YouTube bio, and you can find all of my information there, shopping links, discount codes, and you can shop my Depop closet as well. With all that out of the way, if you don't mind, just stop and give this video a like. My views have been down on my last few videos, and this is how I continue my channel, is to get likes and views. So y'all please go ahead, take a moment, give this video a like, and hype in the YouTube app as well. It does help the channel to grow, and I appreciate that. It only takes a minute, y'all, and it's free. So let's go ahead, we're gonna get on with the unboxing of this beautiful bag here. And this is the box that came in, and this was from the Coach outlet, y'all. So let's get into it, and we're gonna see what I got here, okay? So yeah, it came from the Coach outlet, and like I said, when I was shopping the other night and I noticed that the website was down, I was hoping that Coach was gonna update their website enough to where things would be a little bit different. But if you were shopping today through that drop that was supposed to happen tonight and actually happened today, you'll know things aren't really that much different. All right, y'all, so here it is. Got some wrapping on the inside, and see how this came packaged. All right, this is looking a little smaller than what I thought it was gonna be, but it's still a nice bag, so let's see how it looks. And there it is in the box. Can you tell what it is? All right, y'all, so here it is. Oh, it's so heavy. It's heavier than what I thought. All right, let me get all this wrapping off here. All right, y'all, so here is the bag in the plastic. And it is the Coach Rogue, and it's the patchwork denim, y'all. And I got this for $380. I don't know how, but I did. And it sold out like the next day. So I was so happy that I actually snatched it up when I did, because this is a super nice bag. And I'm actually loving my denim lately. So I know I've said I was done with denim, but when I saw this one, I was like, you need to get this one. So I have it, but let me unwrap it here, and then we're gonna go over some details on it. All right, y'all, so let's unwrap this Rogue together. This is my very first Rogue that I've ever owned from Coach. So even though it came off the outlet, it doesn't matter to me, because it looks like they're combining the Coach outlet and the retail site as one anyway. So I don't care where it came from, I just like the bag. And there it is, y'all. Look at that beautiful patchwork denim. Oh my gosh, I love it, y'all. So pretty. Wow. Oh my gosh, y'all, this bag is stunning. Simply stunning. I do wish there was a Coach logo on the front of it, but that's okay. It does have the really nice rolled handles as well there. And let me just get everything out here. It has the handles that tuck in, and then it comes with this really nice hang tag as well there. That's I think these are called the Heritage hang tag. I could be wrong, but they're really nice, and they have the little metal piece on them. So very nice little hang tag to hang down in the front of this bag. But I don't know, maybe I am happy that it doesn't have the actual Coach logo on it. So, you know, it's a beautiful bag, but you don't really have to know that it's Coach. And if you see the tag and you know, then you know. But it is really pretty, and I love the feel of this bag. So let me go over it and I'll show you some more details of it, okay? All right, y'all, so here it is. I've got everything off of it as far as the packaging and wrapping goes. There wasn't any plastic wrapping or anything. The metal was already unwrapped as well. So I'm wondering if this wasn't like a bag that was actually on a shelf somewhere that they resold, or maybe somebody returned it, but it is in really immaculate shape. I don't see any damage or anything on it anywhere. It just doesn't have the wrapping on it. So there's the bottom of it, and you have 4 feet on the bottom. Really nice leather, and like I said, there's no like markings on any of the leather or anything, so that's fine. Like I said, for the price I got this bag for, I'm okay if it came off the shelf. Yeah, so it has a zipper that comes all the way down there. There's the zipper pull with Coach on it in this nice silver hardware. And then you have that zipper that goes all the way down the bag on the top there. And then it comes around to the other side here on the bottom. And you have the double zipper, so that's really nice. And it opens up very nice and wide here. Let me show you the interior. Now, it did come with a Coach dust bag, but y'all know how I feel about a dust bag, y'all. It's just a damn dust bag, y'all. We get rid of those. All right, so let me show you the interior. Here is the interior of this bag, and it has several pockets on the inside, and you have your Creed patch there on the inside there, and then you have the little snap pocket there with the leather on the lining there, so really nice. I love the dark interior of the bag too. It's just a black color, but a really nice canvas, and it's made out of really great material, y'all. It just feels really good. Some of Coach's finest work is the Rogues, I believe. All right, and I showed you the hang tag here. Let me show it to you again up close here. There is the hang tag that came on it, and I love that silver hardware on it. Very, very nice hang tag. And then you have these handles, y'all, that are just kind of like rolled handles, and they will actually tuck into the bag like this, and it has other straps, let me show you, that you can pull out. They're shorter, like shoulder straps on either little pocket here. And so you can wear this as a shoulder bag as well. So this is really, really nice as a shoulder bag, or if you want to carry a top handle, which I do a lot. And I'll show you in a moment some mod shots with it over my shoulder, and it also comes with a crossbody strap as well, and I'll show you that in a moment. But all right, so let me just go over the front pocket here with you a little bit. So this front pocket here is just one big opening, but then you have a little card slot holder there that you can slide a card down in on this little piece here. All right, and it's just black. It doesn't have any logoing or anything like that on it. And then you have the two D-rings here for your strap to attach on either side there. Okay, and there's the other one there. All right, let me show you the strap up close here where you can see it. And the strap is a black color, and it's very nice as well, just kind of a shorter strap. And then of course you have your dog leash style attachment pieces there, and they have the Coach logoing on the little round piece there, okay? And you can take those off and remove them, and you can also put on your crossbody strap here as well. And the crossbody strap, this is it. It's a thicker strap here, and it has the same style attachment pieces there with your logoing and all on it. Very nice black leather though. And it has an adjustable buckle as well. And then it has the Coach logo and all on the buckle there in that silver hardware. I love that. You got a keeper there to keep the little end piece from flying around, and then your other piece. And this is a pretty long strap. I will show you what it looks like on in just a moment, but let's go over the last pocket in the bag. So the back pocket here on the back opposite side of the middle is another big area here. And then you have another pocket as well, another slip pocket there. So you've got one area, two areas, and then on the main middle area, then you have another slip pocket, which is 3, and then 4, and then you're gonna have 5, and basically 6 little spots for organization. So a lot of places in this bag to store stuff. I love that. And then you can just tuck the handles down on the inside, and then you can wear your either your shoulder strap or your crossbody, which I love the versatility of that. So it's just a beautiful little bag, and I'm actually okay with the size of it. It's I think this is like the medium, maybe not the large, I don't know, but I just think it's beautiful, y'all, and I love the patchwork denim on it. It's gonna go with every outfit I own, okay? So y'all let me know what you think about this bag, and did I get a great steal? I think I did. Let me show you some mod shots with this bag on. All right, y'all, so here is the bag. So you can see the size of it up next to my body here, and I am a bigger person, so it's gonna look a little smaller on me, but it's a pretty big bag. And this is just with the top handles out like this. I think it's beautiful. And let me just do a quick spin here, and this is what it looks like with your top handles. Okay, so after you do that, you can, if you want to wear it over your shoulder, you can just pop these handles right in. They just fold right in. And then you can just pop your straps out that are the longer little shoulder straps here. Let me show you. So they just pull right out. Get that handle out of the way. All right, and then you have your shoulder straps there, and these are the shorter ones. And then you have a crossbody strap as well. But these look like they're really comfortable. Let's see how it looks over me on my shoulder. Very nice. So it's a good little length there on a shoulder strap, I think, especially if you're a smaller person, but they actually fit good on me. So if they fit good on me, they're gonna fit great on you if you're smaller. But I love it. Love the patchwork on it too, and I think it's a beautiful color. So that is with the shoulder strap on. So let me try on the crossbody, and we'll see what it looks like with the crossbody. All right, y'all, so for crossbody wear, I just attached the straps opposite sides, one in the front and then one in the back on those back hooks where the shoulder strap goes, and then you have your longer strap on. And this is pretty much out all the way, so let's see how it fits over my body here. and it is a good length on me. So that's a really good length for a crossbody to me. So I think I like it better crossbody than I do over the shoulder, but I do like the option that you have to wear it over your shoulder. So that's a really nice versatile bag. And I think it's really pretty, and I love the length of the strap. The strap feels good on my shoulder. It doesn't feel uncomfortable, so that's actually a plus. And I'm really happy with this bag. And like I said, I've got a great steal on it from Coach. I can't believe, I don't know if their website glitched or what happened, but hey, I'll take any kind of glitch in my favor, because lately with Coach, you get what you get, especially like with this last little drop that happened early today, which I was so unhappy about because I was trying to get a pink Rowan, y'all. All right, y'all, so this is the Coach Rogue 35, I believe, in this beautiful denim patchwork. I just love that color on it. It's such a beautiful bag, and I'm so happy to add it to my collection. Y'all, please don't forget to let me know what you think about this bag in the comment. Does it fit me? I like it, so y'all tell me what you think. All right, y'all, I looked up this Rogue bag on my Coach history, and it's honestly just called the Rogue bag with repurposed denim patchwork. So that is it, and here it is on the website here. This is the thing where I got it from, and it's sold out now, so you can see everything on there, but that's what it looks like on Coach website. And y'all, I'm really happy that I got it, glitch or no glitch, but it is mine now, and I'm so excited I got it, and I actually have my first Rogue bag, so yay. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch this video today. I do appreciate that. And y'all don't forget to hit that like button for me. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button before you leave. Y'all, I'll see y'all on my next video. Y'all have a wonderful evening. Bye.